Hello, I am Jolie, and this is Sam.
Hi.
We actually came across Amazon businesses through my brother. So he decided to start one in the American market, and he had all these big dreams about getting rich. Sounded really cool. We, however, thought we would try it in the Australian market. So we started with Google, as we all do. Typed into Google how to start an Amazon business, and sure enough, Alex's company came up. Had awesome reviews, and that's how we came across them.
So there were two reasons why we went with you, Alex. Number one was you specifically teach about the Australian market, and a lot of the other competitors we found were more based in America. And the other reason was your intro video. It was very personable, and yeah, we really liked you through that, and we felt comfortable seeking your advice and coaching.
You could tell it wasn't just a scam. I absolutely love, or I should say, we love the support that comes with being a part of this team, having Alex as a trainer. The website that has all the training videos is so organized, and you can find what you're looking for by category. It's all labeled. It's all explained really, really well. And we've found that anytime there is something that we can't get answers to through the website, Alex, you're very personable, you're very clear, you're very easy to follow, and your help is so on point. Just really supportive. It's really good. And there was one more thing.
I don't know. The support was really good.
Yeah, support was really
The
good.
videos were good, and the support that we get whenever we need it. Your team jumps at that.
The live trainings.
Live trainings.
The live trainings are really good. Being able to ask questions at any time and watch those videos, it helps us stay up to date. Really helpful.
Short answer, we would, and we have. So just family of ours have asked questions about Amazon, and we kind of just said, well, ask Alex. So.